Okay. So what is the example class is used to what? Generate dynamic where condition, right? Using what? Where condition in what is that? In real time. What is that? Where these things we are using now in the real time, guys? What is that? In what? In real time. Real time used for what is that? For search screen. You seen that search screen, right? Search screen, right? Now what is that? Means what is that? Implementation, search in implementation. You seen that, guys? Implementation, right? Where any example is there on Google, right? 1 minute. uh any website is there? Amazon, or Flipkart. Okay, I'm opening one website now, guys. Okay, this is there, right, guys? This is here what we are doing now. Here just what I'm going to do now. Here I'm searching what is that? Mobile only. Mobile, right? Mobile only. What I'm writing now. Okay, this is the mobile. Okay, whenever I'm searching that, what is that? Internally the one query is generated. What is that? Select star from what is that? Select star from right, what? Select star from, just think about that mobile table is there, right? Select star from mobile, where what is that? Mobile list, right? Mobile list data is there, mobiles are there, right? Just think about that mobile models are there, right? Mobile models, these based on this model, this data is coming or not, guys? Come on. So same like if we are performing these kind of operation, right? To search what is that? Just think about that medical store is there. In the medical store, what is that? Medical person don't know, right? Just he know that what is that medical medicine name, right? He know that price. He know that what is that medical medicine company, right? Company, based on that company, if he want to search it, all list of that company, right? All list of that company, what? All list of company details will come front of what? That end user, right? If we perform, right, what is it? Those kind of operation, right? Those kind of operations, and then what we will do now? Come here, right? We will use what? In the Spring Boot JPA example class. Using example class, we will generate the dynamic query, guys, right? It will generate the dynamic query. Okay, dynamic query. So just think about that multiple. So I'm going to take what? One example now, guys. Okay, I'm going to take what is that? One example now. In that, what we will do now? We will first store the multiple data, right? What we will do now? First we will store the multiple data. Okay, so now just I'm preparing one example now. Shall I prepare it now, guys? Come on, shall I prepare the example?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so fine now. So okay, let's see that. Okay, let's see that. What will be the example now? What will be the example? So just I'm taking what is that? One book. Okay, book example I'm taking now, guys. Okay, so book example I'm taking now. So this is the book example. Okay, so this is the UML diagram of our what? Book example, right? So fine now. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now? I'm taking the package name. What is that? Com.rk dot what? Com.rk dot what? Book, right? Book. Okay, so I'm taking the class name as what, guys? I'm taking the class name as what? Public, right? Public what? Book class. Okay, book class name is what? Book only. Fine. So after then inside this book class, what is that? Attributes are there, right? Please switch off the camera. Okay, so okay, fine now, guys. So next one is what, guys? So see this. Okay, so the attributes are there. What is that? Private, what is that? Private, what is that? In, sorry, book ID. book Book ID will be there, right? Comma what? Int is there, right? Comma what? Int, right? Int is a data type. Another one is what? Another one is what, guys? We are going to prepare one new what is that? New application now from here onward, guys. Okay, so another one is what?
Book name.
Book name. Book name will
Book
be there,
name.
right? book name will be there. Okay, so this is what string type, right? Another one is what? Book, what is that?
Author name, like
Book, what is that?
author
Good.
name.
Okay, good. Book what? Book, AUTHO. What is the spelling? THOR, right? Author. Now,
Yes,
this
yes.
one is what? String only, right? Another property will be what, guys? Which kind of?
Edition,
Book
edition
cost.
of the book.
No, book cost. We are taking what is that? Book cost, right? Book cost. Okay, so fine now, guys. Book cost will be what is that? Double type, right? Double. Book cost will be double. Okay, another one is what is that? Book type also. We will take what is that? Book type. Book type will be there, right? Book type, this one, book type is what is that? String type, right? This is the data will be there, guys. Okay, this is the data. Okay, based on this data, right? Example class, I'm going to explain what is that example class now, guys. Okay, example class, now I'm going to explain it. Okay, so now, okay, in the example class, what is that? In the repository, one method we seen that, one method already we seen that. What is that? Find, what is that? Find all, right? Find all, one method we seen that. Okay, and this method is returning what? This method is returning what? List of what? List of object, right? List of object. We performed, we already complete this operation now, guys. Everyone,
Yes, yes, we did it.
Yes,
we
sir.
seen that.
Yes.
Are you remember this method now?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay, yeah, to
Yes,
fetching the
remember.
data, same like guys. Okay, now one more method is there. What is that? Find all only, but it will take what is that? It will take what is that? Example class object t, example class object, and what is that? Example only, and its return type also what is that? List only. Its return type also what? List only. You want to see that? Come here. Okay, come in the what is that? Control Shift T, right? Here what I'm going to do now, JPA, okay, repository, right? JPA repository, this interface is there, right? Inside this interface, let's see that method will be there, right? This method argument is what? See this. Okay, all, what is that? Save all plus iterator. Okay, find method we have need, right? Find by ID, find by all. This is the sorted, right? Hey, we are that interface only, right? Repository interface is there, right? Find all, is there, but this one is the non-argumented. Find all is there, but what is that? List only, right? Okay, yes, see this, guy, I'm talking about that, this method. Got it? Right?
Yes.
I'm
Yes,
talking
Yeah, yes,
about,
sir.
yeah, I'm
yes,
talking,
yes,
yeah, I'm talking about this method, right? Using this method, what we will do now, this method is doing what, right? What this method used is what? For this method, what is that? This method is used, okay, used to what? This method is used to take what? Take one input model class. Okay, model class, right? It will take one model class input. Fine. After then, what is that? Object. It will prepare the object that will what? That will that will that will be what? That will be compare with what? Compare with what? Every row. Every row in what is that? Every row in the data means what is that? Data means what is that? Only which one? Only not. I will explain with the what diagrammatically only, guys. Okay, non, what is that? Not null data, not null values, values means matching row. Only what is that matching row result we will get. Only what we will get matching record. Record are selected, right? Selected. Okay, so just think about that. What is that? So okay, so what I'm going to do now, just think about that. What kind of data will be okay? So this is the our what model class. Okay, in the database what I'm going to store it now, guys. So just think about that. This is the our database table is there, right? In the database what is that? Book ID is there, right? Here what? Okay, book ID is there. Another one is what? Book B name. Just I'm taking what? B name, right? Another one is what? Another one is what now, guys? Okay, so let's see that. Okay, another one is what? Another one is what? B author, right? B author. Another one is what? B cost is there, right? Another one is what? B cost is there. Another after then what? Book type is there. What is that? Book type. Okay, B TYP. Okay, these are the rows are there, right? These are row in there inside the table. Okay, so fine now, guys. So inside this one, right? Inside this what? Just think about it. I'm taking some names, right? I'm taking some names only here. What is that one? Okay. So, so first record, I'm taking what is that? Just think about that. These are the records are there inside that what? Our table, okay? Our table. Okay. So what is that? 101. Okay. Book name is core Java. Core Java I'm taking, right? C Java. Okay. C Java. Core Java. After then what is the book author? Ravi. My name only I'm taking what? Cost I'm just taking 300, right? 300. Okay. 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 So book type is what? Backend. Book type is what? Backend. 1 minute. Book type is what? Backend. Backend. Right? This is the 1 minute. I will decrease the font now, guys. Okay. So now this is the now findings. Okay. Okay. Book type is backend, right? Another record again. I'm taking another record. What is that? 102. 102. I'm taking what is that? ADV Java, right? ADV Java. Okay. So this one will give. Okay, Sudhir, I'm giving your name only, right? Okay, Sudhir. Now advanced Java is a little bit what compared to core Java, good, right? So let's take 400 this book price. Okay. But this one also what is that? Backend, right? This one also what is that? Backend only, right? This one also what? Backend only. Fine now, guys. So next one is what? Next one, another one more. I'm taking what is 103. Okay, 103, and what is that? HTML, right? Book name HTML. I'm taking the name. I'm taking Padma. Padma, right? So the book price I'm taking 200. Okay, this is what is that? Front end, right? Front end book. Okay, so fine now, guys. Another record also I'm taking, right? 10104 I'm taking, right? JavaScript. JavaScript, right? Satish and 100 rupees. Book price I'm taking what? 100 rupees. Okay, 100 rupees. Now this is also front end, right? This is also what? Front end only. Okay, so another record also I'm taking, guys. Okay, 105 I'm taking, right? JavaScript is there. Another one is what? Oracle. This one is what? Database. What is that? Anyone name shall I take? Okay. Who is that? Raj. Let's take Raj name, right? Raj, author, book author, right? So now 100 is there, right? 100, give the 100 only. This book also, let's give the, and what is that? Back end book, right? Fine. Fine now, guys. Okay. Okay. So now this is the table is there, right? Table is there. Inside this, what is that? Okay. So I'm moving this one. Okay. One. Okay, guys. So what is that? Example class is there, right? Example. So let's prepare. What is that? First, I'm preparing the what? I'm preparing the what? Object about what? Object. I'm preparing a object about what? This class, right? How internally object will create. Okay. So by default, just think about that. What is that? 1 minute. This is the our object. Which object is there? Book object is there. This is the book object. Book object is there, right? Inside that book, what is that? Book ID. What is that? Book ID is there. Book ID, right? Book ID equal to what? Null. I'm taking null, right? So just think about that. No, I'm taking integer, guys. This one, think about that. This is the integer, integer only, right? Integer. Okay. So another one is what? Another one is what? Book name, right? Book name. I'm taking book name also. By default value, I'm giving, guys. Okay. Book name. Another one is what? Book author. Book author equal to what? Null, right? Book author equal to what? Null. Now next one is what? Next one is what? Now see this. Okay. See this. Book author and book cast and book type is there, right? Book cast and what? Book type is there. Book what? Book cast. Book cast equal to what is that? Null, right? By default value, guys. Okay. By default value. Okay. So here this is the equal to only, right? So now another one is what? Book type. I'm giving what? Book type. Book what? Book type. Book type equal to what is that? Null. By default value, just still I'm giving, right? So in this case, what it will happen now? Using example class, what I said now, see this example class used to generate a dynamic where condition, right? Where condition. Based on that where condition, what it will do now? It will give the selected record, right? Then we will get what? Selected record from the database, right? So what we can do it now? Let's see that. Okay. Let's see that. Okay. So just what is that? Book ID is there, right? So no, based on that what I want, if I want, what is that? Based on that I want to search the what is that? Book name based on that backend, what is that? Data type, right? Means what is that? Column, sorry, row, right? This is the row only. So backend row. So what we will do now? So then what we will create one object. What is that? Book object. Book what? Book B equal to what? New book, right? New book. Okay, fine. So after then what? I'm giving what is a B dot set, right? Set what? Just based on that it will generate automatically, our application will generate the data. So what is that? Book author, book type. Based on the book type I want to search how many backend applications. Means what is that? How many backend, right? Backend what? Backend backend what? Yeah, based on the backend how many backend books are there, right? How many what? Backends book is there, right? Fine. So what is that? Set what we will do now? We will create the object, right? Okay, we will create the object. And what is that? Set what? Set book type, right? Book type. Inside that what we will pass it now? Backend book. I want what is that? All list of backend book. Backend what? Book, right? I want what? All list of what? Backend book. Fine now, guys. So okay, so based on that, okay, this is the search. Okay, so after then what? We will convert this object in the example class. Okay, we will convert this object in the example class. What is that? Example ex, right? Ex equal to what? Example and dot of method is there. Dot of method. Inside this of method, what we will do now? We will pass this book, right? We will pass this book. Okay. So then what it will become now? Whenever we are setting that in the object book type, right here, where the book type, right? This book type will become what now, guys? This book type will become what? This backend book, right? Here it will become what is that? Backend, right? Backend. Sorry, here not a book only, backend only, right? Here backend. Here this one will become what? Backend. Now fine now, guys. So backend, it will become what? Backend. So now after then what? Which method we will call? Find all with what? Example. What is the input it's taking now? Example, right? So now fine now, guys. So here what we will do now? See this. Okay. See this. What it will do now? It will list of what? List of what? No, repo dot what? Repo dot find all. Find all method is there, right? Find all method is there. Inside that, what we will do now? We will pass this example. We will pass this example, and this method will return what? List of what? List of what? List of what? List of what? Book. List of what? Book. This method will return what? List of book now. Okay, fine now, guys. So what is that? Book. List of book. We will get what? List of book. So but what is that? Based on that, not null, it's generating dynamically, but just we have need to write this logic in our what? Test class, right? In the real time, guys, the things will come using what is that? HTML page, but I will give that analysis also, but concentrate on the scenario. So by seeing this object, right, our framework, right, our repository, which how many what is that? How many record will select now, guys? How many record will select? One record will select backend, because all backend whatever backend data is there. This backend
Three.
four four.
Three.
Three only.
It's okay. Yeah, this is the front end, right? This one is the front end. Yeah. So this
Three
record
records are three.
yeah, this record will select, and what? This record will select, right? And these are the two front end application is there, right? Front end is there. So this record will not select. So how many record? One and a two and a three record we will get it now, guys. Okay. So this is the use of example class. Now don't worry, after ending I will give the clarity. Okay, just I'm explaining concept, but where we will implement those things I will show. Okay, those things also I will show it now. Okay, guys. So now no, what is that? Okay, I want what is that? Backend book, but what is that? I need what is that? Author also. So what we will do now? B dot what? Set. B dot set. So author is what? Author, right? Book author is there, right? Book author. So what is that? AUTHOR. I'm taking what? Author now. Fine. Inside this author, what we are doing now, guys? Inside this, I need only Ravi author backend book, right? I need what is that? Ravi author book. What is that? Ravi. So here we will pass the Ravi. So if we pass the Ravi now, so what will happen now? In the object, what is that? Book name is there, right? Book name will become what is that? Ravi, right? No, sorry, control it. So this one, right? Book author. Based on that book author plus what is that? Backend book. Book should be backend only, right? Book should be what? Backend. So what is that? Here I'm taking what is that? Ravi. So now just tell how many record will come now, guys? I want from your side response now.
One record.
One record.
Only one record.
Yes. Only what? One record. Which record will come now? Which record will come now, guys? Only what is that?
Four Java.
Ravi.
101 C Java Ravi 300 backend.
This record will come. Okay, this record will come. Okay, don't worry. Okay, so now till now things you people are getting the what is that? Clear picture or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
Yes.
I get
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, very clear.
Okay.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so let's first what we will do now. Let's develop this application, right? let's develop this application. First we will implement this application and we will see the next level discussion now, guys. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to create one new application here. Okay, I'm going to create what new application. Now what is that file, new, okay, Spring Starter project. Okay, so Spring Book application, I'm taking what is that book application, right? Spring Book application I'm taking now. Okay, so after taking this book application, what I'm going to do now next, I'm taking what is that Spring Data JPA, Lombok, and what is that MySQL, right? Now next, finish. Now the application is created, right? This one only, right? Okay, so data JPA. Okay, I'm just copying the property from the other. Okay, if we write it will take time. So I'm copying these things here from the here. Copy now. Okay, the resources is there, right? Now open it. Now paste it. Okay, now these things is completed. Okay, so now let's prepare the model class now, guys. Okay, now right click, new class, com.emp, no sorry, book, right? Now here what is that book object I'm taking. Now finish it, right? Next and finish it. Okay, completed, right? Okay, so fine now, guys. So how many attributes are there now? How many attributes are there now? Private, integer, what is that?
ID.
Book ID. Another one is what? Private, string,
Book name.
name. Another one is what? Private,
Book author.
author. Another one is what?
Book cost.
Cost.
Book cost, right? Good, good, very good.
Sir, semicolon book author.
Okay, now another one is what? Private,
Book typo.
Book type.
దాని వెనకాల చాలా స్ట్రగుల్స్ ఉంటాయి ముందు ఇప్పుడు అనుకుంటాం
book type. Fine. So these are the attributes